Welcome back, part 2, methods of preparation of carboxylic acid. By the action of carbon dioxide on alkyl or phenyl magnesium bromide. Phenyl magnesium bromide or alkyl magnesium bromide is a Grignard reagent. As you know, Grignard reagent is what? Is a reagent in which one alkyl group, one metal and one halide group is attached to the metal atom, right? On the action of carbon dioxide with phenyl magnesium bromide. Here is the reaction. How? Carbon dioxide is CO2 like this, and alkyl I am taking methyl CH3 MgBr, CH3 MgBr, right? This reaction is happened like this. The most important thing for this reaction, you need to know that Grignard reagent in which carbon atom is negatively charged, right? And MgBr carried positive charge. Then what will happen? As you know, oxygen carry 2 electrons like this. This methyl group will attack O on the carbon atom, right? And these electrons shifted to the oxygen atom. What will happen? This methyl group like this, CH3 attacks this carbon atom, this oxygen atom, negative charge, और ये double bond, right? This negative charge. Now this MgBr has positive charge, so it comes over here, MgBr. This reaction is carried out in the presence of acidic H plus ion. OH ions is also there. Then what will happen? This CH3 C double bond O, H will go over here because H plus ions, O negative, then OH is formed, and OH ions MgBr OH is formed. This is one of the important method in which carboxylic compound is formed, right? The important thing, as I earlier told you, that carbon atom in the Grignard reagent attains negatively charged. This part is positively charged. On the shifting of these pi electrons, this alkyl group attack on the carbon group, and this compound is formed. This negative charge, medium is acidic. This proton goes to goes on oxygen atom. This proton is attached. This carboxylic compound is formed. Similarly, MgBr OH is formed, right? The next reaction is by decarboxylation of dicarboxy acid. Decarboxylation, that means removal of CO2 group, and decarboxylation of dicarboxy acid. Dicarboxy acid in which 2 COOH group is directly attached to the carbon atom. I am taking the example like RCH, dicarboxylic acid, COOH, COOH. 2 carboxylic group is directly attached to the carbon atom, so it is very unstable. So when we heat this reaction, on heating, then this CO2 molecule will eliminate. Then what will happen? This RCH, this CH, COOH. What will form? RCHH, CH2 on this carboxylic group, COOH, and CO2 will eliminate. I am taking another example, malonic acid. Malonic acid, as you know, CH2 group and 2 COOH group is attached. On heating, one CO2 molecule eliminate होगा minus CO2. Then what will be the product? As you know, hydrogen, and here is CH2. क्या बन जाएगा? CH3 COOH, and CO2 will remove. I am taking the another example, ऑक्जेलिक एसिड. ऑक्जेलिक एसिड का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? COOH COOH. This is oxalic acid. What will happen when we heat this reaction? Decarboxylation. Decarboxylation, one CO2 group remove होगा, CO2 group remove होगा. Then क्या बनेगा? This H remove हो गया, फिर RCOH क्या हो गया ये? फॉर्मिक एसिड, राइट, प्लस CO2. क्या निकला आपका? CO2. ओके, this is the method in which by removing of CO2 group of dicarboxylic acids we can get carboxylic compounds. In the next reaction we get carboxylic compounds by hydrolysis of trihalogen compounds. Trihalogen compound, that means 3 chlorine atom or halogen atom is directly attached to the carbon and alkyl group. Okay, so I am taking this example only. RC3 halogens is directly attached to the carbon atom. On hydrolysis, what will happen? 3 chlorine atoms with 3 hydrogen atoms will eliminate and replaced by 3 OH groups, as we are taking 3 H2O. So 3 HCl, 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 HCl and 3 OH group is come over here. Replace कर देंगे 3 chlorine atoms को. So 3 HCl. This reaction is carried out in the presence of base, right? Then what will happen? This RCOH, OH and OH. On heating, what will happen? This water molecule will eliminate. क्या बनेगा आपका? RCOOH, RCOOH, ओके, प्लस H2. यहाँ पर माइनस करें या फिर यहाँ पर फाइनल प्रोडक्ट में प्लस करें. दिस इज हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ ट्राइहैलोजन कंपाउंड्स. आई एम टेकिंग द अनदर एग्जाम्पल. द एग्जाम्पल इज ट्राइक्लोरोइथेन. इथेन मैं ले रही हूँ यहाँ पर लाइक दिस, CH3C and 3 chlorine atom इसके साथ अटैच्ड हैं. क्या नाम बताया? 3 chlorine chloro ethane, 1 and 2 carbon atom, ethane, right? This reaction is carried out in the presence of water. KOH is base, 3 hydrogen, HCl, Cl, Cl. 3 mole of HCl will remove. Then what will form? CH3C, OH, OH and OH. Simultaneously, one water molecule will eliminate. So as you see, CH3C, OOH, COOH will form and one water molecule on heating. अगर मैं बात करूँ किसकी, ये एलिफेटिक था, एल्काइल ग्रुप लिया हमने. अब हम क्या लेंगे? बेंजो ट्राइक्लोराइड. बेंजो इज बेंजीन रिंग, बेंजीन रिंग ले लिया हमने. C6H5, CCl3, राइट. हाइड्रोलिसिस होगा, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल लिया हमने. रिएक्शन इज टेक्स प्लेस सेम. बेस की प्रेजेंस में 3 मोल ऑफ HCl निकलेगा. क्या हो जाएगा? C6H5, ये कार्बन आइटम आपका एंड 3 OH ग्रुप इज डायरेक्टली अटैच एंड देन वाटर मॉलिक्यूल का एलिमिनेशन ऑन हीटिंग एंड बेंजोइक एसिड इज formed. C6H5, COOH is formed. Benzoic acid. Okay. These are the methods in which you see synthesis of carboxylic compounds, right? Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.